different spaces, the same ventilation challenges. It's time to solve them precisely with smart solutions. In the food, pharmaceutical, and electronic industries, where cleanliness is paramount, fabric ducts eliminate the risk of condensation, ensuring product quality with uniform micro-perforated air distribution. For large sports arenas and factories, fabric ducts provide precise directional air supply, reducing energy consumption by 30% and making every breath of fresh air count. In low-temperature cold storage, they prevent frost and ice formation from the source, ensuring stable system operation. In commercial spaces such as supermarkets, fabric ducts use a unique micro-perforated air supply mode, delivering air extremely gently, completely avoiding the direct cold draft from traditional air outlets. Customers can shop at ease in front of the shelves, and employees are free from the discomfort of direct airflow with a comprehensive upgrade in comfort.